Hey, in this video, we'll talk about the best app to buy crypto because I know a lot of you guys and girls are wondering about it. So I'll show you how to buy it, how to use it, and which app to use with, and which app has the lowest fees. But before we start, make sure you keep in mind that you should definitely like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new. We're currently at 17,000 subscribers, growing at over 300 subscribers a day. And the reason is actually uploads over 30 of these videos every single day with the hottest cryptocurrencies for the day. So subscribe with bell notifications on right now. So the best app to buy crypto. So basically most people are going for Coinbase and Coinbase Pro, but I want to show you something. Um, the Coinbase app has a lot higher fees than other apps. For example, the fees to buy crypto on Coinbase are from 1.5% to 3.99%. And on Binance, you're paying 0.1% fees. Do you understand how much of a difference that is? Like it's 100 times up from 100 to 400 times better, I think, or 40. I don't know. It's a lot times better to buy crypto on Binance compared to buying crypto on Coinbase. It's one of the best apps in my opinion, and you can find both of them both on the Google Play Store and the App Store. As you can see here, I've got them open. The cool thing about Binance is they have a US version, US compliant, but it's really simple to use. And Binance actually have a live version that you can see here that kind of looks like Robinhood. And if you want to sign up for Binance and help out the channel, you can also use the affiliate link down below. 4.8 score on the App Store. Coinbase has 4.4 on the Google Store. That's actually really good. But again, it's really easy to use. It has, I guess, better marketing. More people think that they should use it. You get $5 Bitcoin when you just join Coinbase. That's all good. But again, it depends on your goals. If you're trading actively out, I just use Binance. That's it. And it's the best app in my opinion. If the video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.